You can see the screen. I put my sharing on. So today, as I explained to you last time also, in the existing table, in the existing set of extract, pump, and replicate, how do you add a new table? Okay, because not every time you can just create a new set of extract, pump, and replicate. That is not the right practice. What's wrong with this now? Anyways, so here.
It's an empty table or?
No, it's not empty. Empty table is straightforward, right? In empty
Correct.
table, you just need to stop the extract, pump, and replicate. Add the table names in both extract, pump, and replicate. Before adding, ensure the supplemental logging is there. Then you stop the extract, pump, and replicate, and then just start it.
Correct.
Simple.
So if data is there, like rows are there in the table, so just we need to stop the extract and pump process in the source. As the same way we have to stop the replication in the target.
Mm-hmm.
In the source side, we have to check the SCN value, database SCN value.
Mm-hmm.
We have to note down that SCN value. So then which table we are going to add, we have to take the export. So before that, we need to check whether that this same table exists or not in the target, other we wanted to create the new table. So we have to collect these details, whether the space is available in the table space in the target. So this kind of details we have to
Yeah,
collect.
that is implicit. Yeah, that is
Yeah.
implicit. Correct.
Then SCN based export we have to take. Then we have to add this table name in the export param file in the source and as well as in the target replication param file. Then we have to import using remap schema. If it is user is different, table name is different, we have to use remap table option. Remap if table space is different, you have to use remap table space option.
Okay. Yeah, that you are saying very in depth, but that is right. Correct.
Yeah.
So, and but important point is how will you handle the replicate?
Okay.
Right. So that is what, because even in initial load you are doing the same thing. You're not doing something different, right?
Yeah.
So, 1 second. Anyways, let me start. Okay. So for now. So shall I start, right? Everyone, I am audible now. Okay, thank you guys. So let me first see what all I have in my extract pump and work application. Oh, why did I stop this? Anyways. So first, let's see which all table are part of my extract. So I can see only two are there right now. Sorry. So let me create a new one. Okay. For example, I want to replicate for department. Okay, now scott.dept. All right. So first thing, always supplemental logging I need to check. That is by default, irrespective whether it is Oracle or SQL Server. So for supplemental logging, what is the statement to check if the supplemental logging is there or not? Please speak up. I mean, just fast so that we can
Sorry,
take
come
it.
again. I missed it.
How to check supplemental logging is there or not? Give me
We have
the
to log in. Yeah, we have to log in as a uh, that DB credentials using DB login.
okay.
Yes, same. DB login. Then show tran data. Then
Okay.
table name,
All
schema name dot table name.
okay. Everyone agree to it? Pinto said show tran data. Okay, fine. You are also saying the same thing. Mhm. What happened, bro? Ideally, I mean, we use info tran data, not show.
Correct, correct. Yeah.
Not correct, man. Because that is the thing. Info, not show. This is not required now for now.
Yeah, correct. Actually, remembering
I understand. I understand. That's why I was trying to play a little bit.
because
Even
I see. I mean, I know what is we need to check. So maybe
no,
come
no,
again, here.
I understand, man. Don't worry. It's fine. Let me just start and keep okay, so that it will be good. Something again. Now it is started. Just bring a start. Okay. And if you miss this info tran data, the replication will not happen whenever like the updates and deletes those will fail. So have you guys done the revision? So let me check the supplemental login. So when now from the output, what do you guys understand?
It's enabled.
Mm-hmm.
Enabled. It's showing clearly. It's supplemental read
Okay.
log data is enabled
Okay. So one
per
first step
department.
is okay. So step number one is done. Now step number two, like now this I do. Okay. This can change in your environment. I'm just trying to show the easy and ideal way. Ideal way when I mean this can avoid a lot of issues for you. So I'm just checking the target if the table is there or not. I mean the structure of the target, right? And in the meanwhile, what I'll do, I will add the new table name in the extract pump and or replicate. So I'll just do a table class code.dpt. Let me check what is there in the pump. Okay, pump I did Scott.star, so I don't need to explicitly mention here. I'm good with pump. So in target, I will see which table to choose as my target. Think I created. I think I created a table on Sunday. Yeah, or department new. Okay, so it's almost the same way as it is in the source. And meanwhile, in the target, okay, so structure is same. So now in the target or replicate also, I will add the table and keep. So what is the step I did? Added supplemental login, structure created a target, added table, new table name actually, new table name, extract, pump and replicate. Okay, so replicate is pending. I'm adding. Oh, sorry. dpt underscore new. Let me check the name. Yeah, dpt underscore new. So now all these process I will stop and keep. Okay, do you know one thing? Whatever changes I made in the extract pump and replicate, unless you bounce, it will not take into place. I hope
Yes.
you guys understand, right? That
Yeah.
Yeah, correct.
so now I will do initial load. Okay, so I have one DBA DIR. Okay, I have the power file actually here already in place. So directory name is DBA DIR, department log. So the standard one. So let me take the current SCN also. I'm taking. Okay, is this par file easy, right? Easy to understand, no?
Hmm.
Right. Thank you.
Hello.
Yeah. Anybody speaking?
Okay.
I'm not sure who is trying to speak.
Then we have given the correct SCN, right?
Yeah. If you want, I'll show you.
No, that 197.
Yep.
Same, right?
Correct. Actually, when we are observing, that is 192 displayed. That's what we are confused.
Oh, okay. It might be the lag. I'm not sure. So export is happening, all right. In the meanwhile, so meanwhile, let me also go to the target. GGTIG. So environment is set correctly, and let me create par file also. So dump file name should be the same. So remap table, right? So it should be department to department underscore new. That's what I gave in the replicate. And table name of the source is department. It's fine, right?
Yeah.
So is my export done? Yeah, done now. Okay, successfully done. Now I am doing my okay. Here SCPM I have avoided. Okay. So you will be importing. So let me create a separate terminal for the GoldenGate of target. And let's see the status of the input meanwhile. Okay, directory name invalid. Ah, okay. So it was this only. I made a mistake. It was my mistake. Huh? Target, I have to go. Okay, meanwhile, now as I explained to you in replicate, what I'll be doing is that against this, I'll add a filter clause. Filter get get TNV TRN transaction CSN. So here also should be this CSN greater than the one I had for my export. Instead of doing start replicate after CSN, the CSN number, I just, this means that for the existing table, that is EMP2 and EMP newbie, follow as it is. Only for this one, the new table, just apply only those transactions which are after this SCN. That is after your export. Okay, now you see the import has been done. Let me check the count. Any doubt up till now? Everyone fine?
Filter class, I'm not understanding.
Okay, what you didn't understand in that? You mean the logic or like the statement?
Logic.
Logic. Okay, fine. Let me add some rows, okay? Okay, now here, okay, do you remember the class on Friday? That how, I mean, in initial load, what you do? You do start for replicate after CSN, isn't it?
Yeah, correct.
And but can that be done here? Like when one table you're doing like the extract and replicate, they have 10 tables already, and you are going to add 11th table. Sorry. So you do the initial load of that new table, then how will you start the replicate? Can you start replicate like start for replicate after CSN there? Will that be right? If you remember the video of, I think, Friday or Thursday.
Yeah, we can start with this replication with the SCN number, correct? CSN number.
Just see the recording of Friday. Explain how it will create issues. So what you want is that for the existing table, you want because if you start the replicate after CSN, then the data for the existing table will be spoiled, isn't it? Means for one table you want to alter the whole for replicate, but that will create data issues for others, na?
Correct.
So for original table, it should run as it is. Only for the new table added, it should read after that SCN.
Yeah, correct.
And in trail files, we have the SCN. So this is
Yeah,
transaction. All these are keywords. Filter, get env, transaction. In transaction, that CSN greater than the CSN which was taken for the export.
yeah, got it.
Others, anything? Okay, fine. So let me do some more inserts, please. Now committing it. I'll start my extract, pump, and replicate as it is. I'll give them some time to start. Let me check the status of the extract. I gave the wrong, extract name. Okay, recovery complete. Let me check the stats if it took or not. That table. Okay. So department it took. Now here in my replicate, I will just do a start replicate. It is not yet checkpointed, right? See this. So it means it has not yet taken, or it's not yet started to do anything. Okay, seems it did something. Yeah, so two inserts came here. Understanding? Or not? Everyone? Understood. Okay, fine. Ramesh, Chandra, Murli. Don't go with the count. Did you understand the logic?
Yeah, I have understood.
Okay, fine. Any doubt in it? Anything what I did today? Okay,
I just
great, man.
just
Yeah,
simple question, like suppose if the table that we are going to add, right? This table has some referential integrity. So in that case, do we need to take any some other concern also into
yeah.
consideration?
So in that case, you should, when you have a parent and child relation, right? So
Yeah,
both the tables should be the part of the replication. It would be, I have not seen a case where you want only the parent and where you want only the child, because that will not work,
yeah, yeah,
isn't it?
correct. Yeah.
So you
No,
need
no,
to have both the parent
like,
and child in the same extract, pump, and replicate group.
okay, okay. So there is nothing extra we need to take care of apart from the sequence, right?
It's not the sequence, it's the
No, no,
group.
no. Sequence
If
means I'm not meaning about database object sequence. I mean, apart from this, the way they're that we are doing this logic. Apart from this, nothing else need to be taken care, right?
no, yeah, what this will do fine, because if you add parent in one extract and child in another extract, the golden gate cannot keep a track of it. It
Yes,
will try
correct.
to insert child first, then it will fail with the referential integrity error, isn't it?
Yeah, and this mentioning the table in the parameter file, the order that we mentioned. In that case, do we need to take? I mean, be cautious while we mention the
No, 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 no. No,
nothing.
I have never done that. No,
Okay, okay,
I don't. I mean, just make sure they're in the same replica. That's it.
okay,
Order
fine.
does not matter. No. Okay. So I stop for now today. Okay, I have a call to join. So any doubt, because I still feel few of you have not seen the recordings, because explaining the initial load and this logic is actually tedious. Yeah, after seeing the recording, if you're not understanding, that is another case. But I want you guys to see, please, because in the remaining classes, it will be, I mean, it. I mean, I'll go one step forward, then again explaining the logic backwards. It will take time. Everyone, is it fine? Ramesh,
Yes,
Murli, Pintu, yeah, thanks for acknowledging.
Yeah, fine, fine.
Fine, right?
Definitely, I will watch the videos.
Yeah, I would request today only, please. I know it's late night, but yeah, I mean, I feel. All right.
Sure, sure.
Okay, guys. Chalo. Take care. Bye bye.
Okay, bye. Thanks.